Hey, what's up everybody? Happy Friday, Too Tall Toby here. Just wanted to make a quick video to update you guys on some stuff that I've got coming up in September. So starting tomorrow morning, September 10th, we've got the tournament. The round of 32 continues. We've got an epic matchup between Sadan and Mustafa. That's a SolidWorks user versus a SolidWorks user. And then we've got kind of a special treat. We've got Kachu, who is a Fusion 360 user, going up against H412, who is an inventor user. So we get to see a little bit of Autodesk infighting with Fusion versus Inventor. Very excited to see how that match turns out. One of those two competitors will make it to the round of 16. One will unfortunately fall. Who's gonna make it through? I don't know. Let's find out together tomorrow morning. The link is in the description below. Now, following the tournament, if you are around, I would encourage you to jump into the SWUG Me 7 live stream. This is the SolidWorks largest users group meeting ever. I'll include the link down in the description below, but this is gonna be really cool. It's a users group meeting that spans multiple continents. It's gonna run for multiple hours, and it's gonna be a great place to get some free SolidWorks training, some free SolidWorks tips and tricks. Link in the description below, but be sure to check out SWUG Me 7 if you're around tomorrow. On Monday, I'm going to be doing another episode of Model Monday Live. So let me look at my calendar here. That is Monday the 12th. It's been a little while since I've done an episode of Model Monday Live, so I'm going to do an episode of Model Monday Live coming up this Monday, the 12th. We'll be doing some live solves where I go through some of these models that we've seen in the tournament, and I explain the way a SolidWorks expert would think through some of these challenges. So be sure to tune in Monday. That's going to be at 2 p.m. East Coast, Model Monday Live. And following Model Monday Live, I'm going to be in full lockdown preparation mode for the September 2022 SolidWorks Users Group Texas Tour. This is going to be 5 different users groups starting on September 20th in Houston. And we're going to visit 5 different users groups in person. So it's going to be me and the amazing team from SolidBox going around the state of Texas, September 20th, September 21st, September 22nd, September 26th, and September 28th. Visiting in person, hanging out, shaking hands, talking, catching up, laughing, telling stories, all the good stuff that you get from in-person users groups. You can probably tell I'm pretty excited about this. And if you happen to either be in Texas or in any of the surrounding states, I encourage you to make the trip to one of these users groups because it's going to be a blast and it's going to be so fun to be in person again. I'll include all the links to the users groups down in the description below. But that pretty much sums up the rest of my month of September. Of course, I'll still be releasing content along the way, but I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys on this beautiful Friday morning. And I hope that you all have a great weekend, and I hope that I will see you all tomorrow in the tournament. See you, everybody. Have a great weekend.